60 seconds you need to know before you go. Workout video. Here's what's going on. We've got the S&P higher by some 60 points in the pre-market. This despite the fact that we've got some issues going on over in Italy. They haven't decided whether or not it's true that they're going to shut down their schools and universities or not. But here's the stocks I'm trading, folks. CNC, it's up 9%, positive guidance. JLL, up 7%, EPS, and also positive guidance. Then we've got CMG, 3% rally, and Wells Fargo takes the target to over 1,000. Sort of reminds you of Tesla, doesn't it? Take a look at CDLX. This one is down hard, about 27%. EPS and guidance, both terrible. And Urban Outfitters, URBN. This one is down 6%. I am John Najarian. I'll give you a live stream today, and I'll be on the halftime report. Tune in noon Eastern time and check out marketrebellion.com/Vegas 2020.